So problem 13, we are going to be simplifying this expression using the order of operations. Remember, order of operations, we also called it PEMDAS. So we said parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, multiply or divide from left to right, and then add and subtract. So when we have parentheses, we always start with our outermost, we look at those, and then we see if there's more parentheses inside. We do the innermost parentheses first. Those are our nested parentheses. So we're going to start with 2 plus 5. So we copy everything down. 3 times 4 minus 8 plus 4 squared times 7. Close our brackets. Next, we're still working inside our parentheses. Inside there is our exponent. So we are going to change 4 squared to 16. 3 times 4 minus 8 plus 16 times 7. We're still, again, working inside of our brackets.